starting the video now. So we are cutting this tree. We're super nervous. And she's gonna cut it. Mom, it's moving! It's moving! I saw it move! I saw it move. It's gonna fall this way.
This way?
Yes, this way. You're gonna be good. Oh god, I'm so scared. It's moving! Run, 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 run! It's about to fall.
It's about to fall!
Oh!
I knew it.
Oh god! Oh!
Timber!
Yay! Yay! Oh god, that was so scary. I was having a major anxiety.
Anxiety attack. Look at the sun spot we got.
Wow! Wow, we got all the sun now.
Woo. That wasn't so bad.
Nope. I am walking through sawdust, but
See, it's on the ground now.
yep. Oh god, this is so scary.
This is
Oh,
crazy.
hey, there's a lizard. Wow, it was hanging by this thread right here, and then it eventually fell finally.
Yeah. Thank God I was cut away from us.
Yeah.
But hey, that's cool.
Yeah.
All right, you can log off now.
All right.